Hey, Andrew Keel here, and I want to talk about drainage. I want to talk about storm drainage in mobile home parks, because this isn't talked about enough, and in some communities that we've been through recently, after they've rained, there's huge puddles and the water is going underneath of the mobile homes, and that's a major problem. So when you're in due diligence, you need to make sure to ask the tenants, ask the manager, and ask around and say, hey, when it rains, what happens, in this section of the park right here? You can see we're underneath a storm culvert right here, where all the water kind of comes down to this lowest point and then goes off into the ravine behind the community, which is fine. However, if it's backing up here and there's a bunch of stuff clogging this, and then the water starts to rise and go underneath of the homes, it could be catastrophic for these mobile homes and their life expectancy. So definitely make sure to check out storm drainage and to ask around.